People say that lookalike audiences don't work, but the problem occurs in 3 places. If you fix those, lookalike audiences will start working. Number 1, your seed audience is weak. If your seed audience is old or too small, Meta receives a weak signal. To get a strong lookalike audience on Meta, upload a fresh list. Number 2, the data quality is poor. Set up Pixel and Conversion API, otherwise Meta only gets incomplete data, and that's why your targeting fails. Number 3, putting everything into a single campaign. If you put custom audiences, lookalike audience targeting, exclusions, all in a single campaign, if you put everything into one campaign, your targeting becomes too narrow, and as a result, your campaign doesn't run properly and you don't get the right results. The easiest solution for this is to create a list of fresh, high-value buyers. Properly set up Pixel plus Conversion API on your website. Create a lookalike audience for each lookalike audience segment, but test them in separate campaigns. 1%, 3%, 5%, 10%. Test each of these different audiences in separate campaigns. This will not only improve your campaign structure, but also help you identify which campaign is performing and which audience is working for you. If you want a complete guide on lookalike audiences, comment below. Get the lookalike audience guide delivered to your inbox.